everyone, this is Mike Makers from makersgeneration.net. Thank you for tuning in today. So we keep going to the tutorial we already started with Scratch. So I think you already know what it is, how to do it. So you type Scratch, MIT or Scratch, and after that on Google, and you click on it. So for those of you who don't know, so this is the process to do it. After that, you go and start creating. It will bring you to a new window. It may take a couple of seconds, so be patient with the internet and the network and the servers all around the world. So after that, you close this. So today we try to see costumes and if condition. So I explain you step by step what those are, and let's get started. So let's try to find a nice background. So this is where we go to find a background. So we got the cat in the desert. Let's go to costume, and I want to reduce the cat here. So I need to choose all the cat, grab one dot and scroll it down. You see that the cat, okay, is too small now, so I'll make it bigger. So I prefer it like that. Alright, but yeah, it was just to show you how we can modify the size of the cat, but we're not especially going to use the cat today. So I want you to go here now, choose the sprite, and you can see we have different sprites, so you know where we go to get the sprites. And usually you got a sprite, but behind you got over costumes too. Have a look here. So you can see these are the different animation we can do, but it means we got this different picture. It's like a cartoon. So step by step, you got a one, you move in your hand, your arm. So you got picture coming one after another one. So I like this one. Let's get the battle. There we go. We got the battle here. So now we can see all the pictures. If you want to see all the pictures, you go to costume. Make sure you choose the battle, and you can see here you have different pictures. That one, there we go, and there we go. So you can see the different frame. Okay, so we don't need the cat no more. Let's click on the trash. So today we work with the bat. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's maybe not the best backdrop. I'm okay with that. So let's get the baseball one. Yeah, and let me try to reduce it. Maybe not now. So let's go back to the code now. So what I try to do, I try to make it move. Okay, there we go. Before we make it move, let's do that. So what we do, we know how we start. We need to go to control, events, and put this one here. And to repeat what we're gonna do all the time, we need to use the loop that we saw last time in the previous lesson, forever. So I want to put forever here. So that's nice. And now what I want to do, I want to go on looks, and it says next costume, meaning for each look you're gonna put the next costume for each look. So let's have a look on that. And after that, so let's try it and you see. So that's crazy, it's really an animation, but this is not what we want. What we try to do, let's try to add some time in this. Let's go to wait. Let's put it every 0.25 seconds, and let's try one more time. Yeah, how do you like it? Yeah, I can even make it go faster. 0.15. Yeah, So we're really into animation now, so you can start making your own cartoon on Scratch. So you know, if you had inspiration, let's just let it go. 0.1, okay, 0.05. She goes a bit faster. 0.01. Oh, that's too much, you know. That gives me headache. And let's stop it now. So if you want to stop it, remember, you click on like a stop. You know, when driving a car, you go there. So that's one of the way we can do things. But the plan was not really to do this. I wanted to also to show you something else. We go here. I wanted to show you the if condition. So there we go. If we use if is here. So what I want to do, I wanted to make it move on the left. So let's go back to motions, and let's say I want it to move up. Let's say okay. I want it to move 10 steps all the time and wait 0.1 second. And all the time she reached the edge, I want her to go back. I want her to go back if. So that's the if condition. So let me explain that to you. If condition is really what it says. If let me give you an example. If it's raining outside, I take my umbrella. Else, meaning if it's not raining, so what should I do? I don't take my umbrella. So that's pretty simple as that. So this is what we're gonna do here. And to find the conditions, you go to sensing, and you got a bunch of things here. So you look for what you need, and you say we're looking for the one if touching. I think this one, and you can click on the arrow here. It says the edge. So if we're touching the edge, I want it to move back to 0. So for this, we go to motions and glide. Where is it at? Glide. Let's say during 2 seconds to 0. You know, remember in one of the classes we saw the 0 was in the middle here. Since we have a negative and positive value for both of them, X and Y. So let's try that. Oh, what happened? I'm sorry. Glide for 2 seconds. Okay. Okay, next question. Let me see what happened, guys. Sometimes when we have with 10 steps, 7, 8. Okay, it's touching edge, adding to down. Glide 2 seconds to 0. Okay, here we go. And he comes back. There we go. You can make it go faster, but yeah. Okay, you can make it go faster by say like moving 10 steps. Okay. Like 0.01. There we go. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you really appreciate the video. If you do, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and share the video. You can also check the website makergeneration.net, and see you next week for another video. Thank you.